Millers were naturally very friendly to their servant Eugenio.
Eugenio was very aware of the culture of European society and resented the Millers for being friends with him.
Daisy went on walks with Giovanelli frequently, which was considered improper for young unmarried girls.
Mrs. Walker did not want Daisy to go on walks with Giovanelli because that was considered uncultured, and she wanted her to get in the carriage.
Randolph was left unattended in Switzerland and poked things with a stick, which is uncultured, instead of being sent to school.
Winterbourne was educated in Europe as a child and was cultured. Huckleberry Finn did not want to be educated by the widow. He would much rather play with Tom Sawyer, which was uncultured.
Pip as a child was very uncultured and did many mischievous things, like pouring tar in people's drinks. But because of Miss Havisham, as he got older, he was educated and cultured.
A lesson or theme that Henry James expects of the readers to come away from Daisy Miller A Study with is that a cultured response is more accepted by society, but it won't necessarily lead to a better life. Go. And she wanted her to get in the carriage.
Oh.